Very good morning to everyone. In yesterday's class we have seen exercise number 10.2 up to 4 main. Now today we'll see the next question, that is fifth one. See what the given question. Prove that perpendicular at a point of contact to the tangent to a circle passes through the center. Now prove that perpendicular at a point of contact. We know what is the point of the contact. Now see that. Consider the one circle here. See, this is a circle. Now point of contact. This is a tangent. This point is called as the point of contact. Now this is the radius. Clear? Now give the name here. This is a point of contact P, and this is A and B, center O. Clear? Now see what you have to prove here. Prove that the perpendicular at a point of contact to the tangent to a circle passes through the center. This perpendicular will be passes through the center. You have to prove that it is always the point of contact to the center of the circle is passes through this center. Now you have to prove here. Now see solution. See, consider a circle with the center O and AB is a tangent. It's a tangent, and P is the point of contact, and P is the point of contact. Clear? Now see what you are going to prove here. Now this radius is the perpendicular is passes through the center of the circle. Clear? Yes. Now see, perpendicular line means the line will be intersect at the 90 degree. Both sides should form the 90 degree. Then you can say that perpendicular. Can you tell me either it is a perpendicular line? No. See that. You have to prove that this line is passes through the center. Perpendicular line is passes through the center of the circle to the point of the contact. Now just construct the one line. Give the this name is O dash. Correct? O dash. Now for proving here now, I think you know that contradiction. Contradiction means with the proof here. Contradiction means assuming, just assuming, imagination. Okay. Now see that. Next, let us consider written here a circle with center O. AB is a tangent and P is the point of the contact. Correct. Now see, let us assume that. Next, let us here. Let us assume that the perpendicular, I will write the symbol, this is perpendicular symbol, the perpendicular to AB at P does not passes through center O. See, just this is assume that P perpendicular is not passes through perpendicular to the passes through center O. This is center O. Clear? Now next, let it passes through. Let it passes through another point O dash. Now I took that O dash. Just you have to pass it through the another point O dash. O dash. Correct. Then join OP and O dash P. Now join, this is a, this is center O, correct? OP and O dash B. Correct. As perpendicular to AB. See next. As perpendicular to AB at P passes through O dash. Therefore, now see that either it is the perpendicular, just assume that O dash PB is the perpendicular. See here, I will write here O dash PB is equal to 90 degree. Perpendicular means 90 degree. So this is the equation. Just assume that O dash PB is the perpendicular. Clear? Now next one is, let OP is perpendicular to AB tangent. Without that is AB tangent, and P is the point of the contact. Now see how to write. This is a perpendicular, means angle OPB is equal to 90 degree. This is equation 2. Clear? This is equation 2. Now see the next. Compare the equation and 2. I will write here. Compare equation 1 and 2. See what you get that by comparing the equation 1 and 2. The 90 get cancelled. What is the remaining here? O dash PB is equal to OPB. This is equation 3. Correct. But by seeing the diagram, see here, this angle is not equal to this angle. Correct. This is a contradiction, means assumption. By assumption we will get these two angles are equal here. But really these two angles are not equal. But really angle O dash PB is less than angle OPB. Correct. This is equation 4. So what you can say that it is therefore angle O dash PB is equal to angle OPB is not possible. It is only possible. It is only possible when the line O dash P is coincide with OP, coincide with OP. Therefore, final point. Therefore, the perpendicular to AB P passes through the center. Now see, this is a theorem, little bit lengthy is there, but you have to remember these all points here. Now just you have to prove that the perpendicular line is passes through the point of the contact is center of the circle. By making these all own sentence, you have to prove now. Clear? I hope you understood this one. So next, see in the reader 6th and 7th main is homework. 6th and 7th one is homework. Now 8th one we'll see in the next class. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.